If you're a startup founder and you're wanting to launch on Product Hunt, we're going to review the number one product of the day, Curated Letters. It will help you monetize your newsletters, and we're going to check it out. We're going to review the videos, the graphics, how they set up the Product Hunt, how they set up their web page, their landing page, and give you some copywriting tips on the way. So what is going on, guys? My name is Jordan P. Anderson with Nice Slice Studio. I'm the creative director here. We are a launch agency that helps startup founders launch their products, and to date, we've helped founders earn over $50 million in launch revenue. Let's figure out how we can help this company right here. All right, let's dive in. Let's go check out the number one product hunt today. Curated Letters. Build your newsletter in minutes. All right, did you know if you want to be featured on Product Hunt, you have to have a video, just so you know that going forward. All right, let's check it out.
Meet Curated Letters, your new secret weapon. With AI, is your newsletter more of a weekly headache than a passion project? Meet Curated Letters, your new secret weapon. With AI-powered curation, RSS integration, and one-click publishing, it's all smooth sailing. And
whew! Okay, a video of any kind is great. Let's break this one down. Let's watch it all the way through, and then we'll break it down.
Guess what? It's completely free. No catches, no hidden fees. Plus, while you're not stressing, our unique ad model could be earning you passive income. Whether solo or part of a team, Curated Letters keeps everyone in sync. So, why not give it a shot? Reclaim your time, showcase your best content, and maybe even fatten your wallet with Curated Letters today.
Don't say it. Okay, do the best you can out there. If you're a startup founder right now watching this and you want to add video to your startup launch, your Product Hunt launch, and you're like, I don't have the skills, I don't know anything about video, I've never made a video before, should I just hire somebody on Fiverr to make a video? Yes. Do it. If it's the choice between not having a video to talk about your stuff and having a video or some kind of video to talk about your product, your SaaS, make a video. That's the only way you're going to get featured on Product Hunt. This video, from if I'm in film school, is atrocious. This video is really, my opinion as a marketer, is great. The script's great, keeps me engaged. It's chunky. It's made clearly in some kind of free editing app, but who cares? Who gives a shit? They have a video, you don't have a video. What are you going to do about it? Let's go through it one by one. I like the script too. It's an AI narrated. That's fine. We all do that nowadays.
Newsletter more of a weekly headache than a passion project? Meet Curated Letters, your new secret weapon. With AI-powered curation,
it goes right into it. It pokes a question. Let me get the captions up.
Is your newsletter more of a weekly headache than a
Is your newsletter more of a weekly headache than
passion project?
Than a passion project? And I think a lot of newsletter writers that are trying to make money off of it end up finding, yes, it is a headache.
Meet Curated Letters, your new secret weapon. With AI-powered curation, RSS integration, and one-click publishing, it's all smooth sailing.
It's a little buzzwordy right there, but I think that's for the people that get it, or that it's for a specific type of person. I think they're going to get it. Your new secret weapon, it's kind of a flat line, but all right. Your new secret weapon, I like the little paper airplane wipe. AI-powered curation, okay, buzzwordy, but fine. We'll let it slide. RSS feed integration, we should all know what that is if you're in the newsletter space. One-click publish, that's something very simple to understand. That's a great name for a feature, one-click publish. This rainbow is like, I feel like I'm watching some Adult Swim right now.
And guess what? It's completely free. No catches, no hidden fees. Plus, while
That's so good. No time for stress.
you're not stressing, our unique ad model could be earning you passive income. Whether solo or part of a team, Curated Letters keeps everyone in sync. So, why not give it a shot? Reclaim your time, showcase your best.
So why not give it a shot? Whenever I'm talking to ChatGPT, I say absolutely no rhetorical questions. But we'll let this one slide. Showcase the best content.
Reclaim your time, showcase your best content, and maybe even fatten your wallet with Curated Letters today.
They're doing a review of the benefits at the end. That's every great marketing sequence. It's problem, here's our solution, here's a couple features, here's some more features, and then let's review all the benefits of how this is going to affect and change your life for the better. Again, not a great video, but a great video. So you don't make it look shitty. Who cares? The message that this video is sending and the order, how they're writing it. Okay, you might get a little picky about the word choice, but curate, create, and monetize, CuratedLetters.com. I would change that to go to or a button to encourage me to go to it. But so far, so good. We got some graphics to match everything. Everything feels coherent. That's what we want when we're on these product hunt pages. We want the video to feel like the graphics, and then hopefully when we go to this web page, I haven't been to it yet, that it feels like the video and the graphics. Everything feels like a cohesive presentation. So let's go to curated letters. It does. Great job. Everything is one vision, one singular vision. Got a pop up. Subscribe to our monthly newsletter. Okay. Great design here. I even love how they've balanced the text here too. It's literally a funnel that funnels you down to say, "Get me started." Curate, create, and monetize your free newsletter solution. Build your newsletter in minutes with no email limits on your campaign. Free forever, no credit card required. Get me started. And you click that button, and it takes you to sign in. I guess it's free to sign up. Okay. All right, let's scroll down a little bit. Let's learn about some features. The pop-up again. Watch out. Watch out for the pop-ups. Designed to say, actually, now that I think about it, the pop-up right there, instead of join our monthly newsletter, it should be more tangible. Should be, here are the 5 ways to, or either a case study or some kind of tip or some kind of secret or some kind of giveaway or downloadable. Get our 5 newsletter templates, add your name and email here, and we'll send them to you. And then you just put people on your list. You don't have to say, "Hey, can you join our list? Join the list. Join our newsletter." Just, "Hey, here's the best way to see, these were the top 5 best monetized newsletters of 2024. Some kind of, give me something, and I will trade you for that email. I see a lot of SaaS startups at the bottom. They just have, yep, down here, join the club. What do I get? Give me your email forever, and you'll get this. What do I get? I have no idea. Next section, designed to save you hours a week on your community building admin. Back with free platform, unlimited uses, automated monetization. These are a little wide to read. Design-wise, I would shrink them a little bit so that it's not reading all the way across this line here. Streamline content creation, RSS feed integration, content saving, bookmark tools, scheduling, and automation. Why should you choose Curated Letters today? I almost want to add a little TM right there, a little trademark. Your own self-powered email newsletter is just a few clicks away. Create your publication. I would number these: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8 simple steps. Maybe even turn it into 5 steps. Seamlessly import list. Yeah, if I'm making this list, if I'm redoing this, get started in 5 simple steps or 3 simple steps. It's create. It is boost your subscriber count, schedule, and send. And then below, I will add these as little separate widgets of integrate, earn passive income. This could even be its own big wide card, because that's what people want. They want the passive income. What are we selling here? We're not selling a newsletter tool. We're selling the dream of, you're about to get passive income from this. And then you can do it in minutes, and you can do it for free. Click here. Spend time building your communities, and we'll handle your newsletters. Great sell. Join content creators who reclaimed hours of their week. That's hard to read. Pretty solid. I don't usually give these a grade. Let's go down and see what the CEO wrote. Unless the maker, yeah. Keith, great job. Today, I'm thrilled to introduce Curated Letters to you, a new player in the email marketing arena, but with a twist. This journey started with our founder. Great. Need more emojis, but a great founder story. Pretty solid. I'm going to give this a thumbs up. Again, say what you want about the video. They have a video, and you don't. Do something about it. Thanks for watching.